It's not just about raising the best beef you can buy. We're giving our customers the experience of learning of where their food comes from, who produces it, how it's raised, and how it gets to their plate. Consumers want to trust where their food comes from and know that what they're eating is safe, healthy, and they feel good about feeding it to their family.
Most consumers buy their beef from the grocery store, but at Blue Water Beef, we're asking people to buy their beef in a completely different way. We sell boxed packages of high quality, locally grown beef that's delivered for free right to their front door by the farmer who actually produces that beef.
I'm the 5th generation on this very farm. This has allowed us to continue to raise our beef the way my grandparents did, while also integrating more modern techniques for better management, environmental sustainability, and overall best quality of life for our animals.
We take pride in our farm and the beef that we produce. Food safety is extremely important to us. All of the beef that we sell through Blue Water Beef is born and raised right here on our farm. That gives us 100% control of the beef right from birth, and we can guarantee it is the safest, highest quality product that we can produce.
On our farm, the cattle are on green pastures as long as the grass is available to eat. Through research and consultation with animal nutritionists and veterinarians, we have found what we believe to be the perfect mix between conventional feeding and grass-fed natural program. This ensures the quality and excellence that our customers have come to know as the standard at Blue Water Beef.
Our beef is processed at a local, family-owned, provincially inspected butcher shop. Blue Water Beef is frozen immediately after being cut to lock in that freshness and ensure that you always receive the finest beef that we have to offer. Our beef goes from our farm to your fork, and that is quality you can count on.